This is film of the Stratford site. Over here's test site 1. I've just left some of the sample on the auger so you can see why I wasn't able to get pocket penetrometers. That's down around about 600, about the same level where I pushed the tube, and it's very friable. I bogged the flight in the soil, withdrew it without rotating it, hoping to get a pocket penetrometers, but I'd estimate you've probably got about 100 kPa. Anyway, it's a poorly drained site. I'm filming this from up on a little bit of a mound. There were banana plants, I think, here, or obviously you can see some of them that are still remaining. There's other fruit trees over here. So the pegged site that I'm panning around is on the flat. Now when you look at, first of all, I'll just look at this soil on the flight and show you how friable it is. So pocket penetrometers weren't very meaningful. And when you wet it up, it looks sort of sandy, but it's basically a very silty clay / clayey silt. Now this is the spoil from the 9 metre hole. A little bit of, putting a shadow there, I'll come around this way. There's a little bit of grey topsoil material. Then it goes into the orange brown, and then it changes to the light yellow brown, and you can see that it got very wet. Probably at about, I reckon, I was going to dip it, left the hole open, but unfortunately I can't, it's caved in a bit or didn't leave the hole clean, so I can't dip it. My estimate is that the water table's at about 6.5 to 7 metres. Once I went through that, it's maybe a perch water table, because the material on the bottom of the flight, this is it here, that's what we've got at the bottom of the flight. It's probably firm to stiff, approaching stiff. I'll actually do a pocket penetrometer on that. Not that it's going to be all that relevant. So we've got about, I reckon, about 7 metres of the orange brown, then it goes into the yellow brown. There seems to be a water table at about that interface, and at 9 metres we're getting into firm to stiff material. It's grassed, poorly drained, as I said, and a few trees, banana palms just over here on this side.